whether hotel industry will be threatened by Airbnb industry. Yes, Airbnb is actually threatening the hotel industry, but it will not overtake hotel. And here's why. Airbnb generally has more space. 300 ringgit, stay in a hotel per night. In KLCC area, you can only get a studio room maybe. But then a 300 ringgit near KLCC area in say Jalan Ampang, you can see the Twin Tower as well. 300 ringgit can go for maybe a 2 rooms or 3 rooms. So it depends on the location as well. So generally, Airbnb is cheaper and has more space. Secondly, Airbnb generally has more privacy because not all of them are tourists. Most of them are actually residents, some of them staying there, renting long term. So generally, there will not be that many people going in and out of your condo unless that whole condo is catering for Airbnb, then it's a different story lah. Generally, Airbnb is more private in a sense because you must remember the whole condo is for residential purposes. So it's not like hotel where you have maybe people come here for fine dining, for breakfast or what. No, Airbnb is just a condo.